Insta360 Luna Ultra, and hidden inside this pocket-sized titan is a brand new feature that has sent shockwaves through the global creative community. Look at any pocket gimbal camera on the market today. They are phenomenal tools, but they are fundamentally restricted by their optical architecture. They give you an ultra-wide perspective, but the moment you want to capture a tight detail, a distant subject, or a stunning portrait with natural background separation, you are trapped. Digital cropping destroys your resolution. Co-engineered with the legendary optics pioneers at Leica, the Luna Ultra does something that was previously deemed physically impossible in this form factor. It features a revolutionary dual-lens system running on a massive 1-inch main sensor and a secondary high-end telephoto sensor. This allows a pocket camera to seamlessly transition from an ultra-wide landscape shot to a compressed, cinematic 70mm telephoto perspective. We're talking about a true, native 6x optical zoom and up to 12x lossless zoom in a device that weighs a mere 150 grams. You are holding a device lighter than your smartphone, yet it possesses the optical versatility of a professional production package. When you punch into that 70mm focal length, you aren't just stretching pixels. You are getting true optical lens compression. The background pulls closer to your subject. Facial features become flattering and natural. And because it is backed by Leica's optical engineering, you get authentic mechanical bokeh. The out-of-focus background melts away into a creamy, organic blur that digital portrait modes can only dream of replicating. But as mind-blowing as a dual-lens 1-inch sensor system is, that is not the feature that has everyone talking. The true bombshell drop, the feature that was just revealed from the engineering floors, is an accessory and ecosystem integration so radical it completely redefines the concept of hands-free filmmaking. It is the all-new, revolutionary POV Head-Tracker. Think about how point-of-view footage is captured today. You strap an action camera to your chest, or you mount a heavy rig to a helmet. The footage is static, locked to the direction of your torso, and whenever you look around, the camera misses the action. It feels rigid, detached, and artificial. The Luna Ultra's POV Head-Tracker changes everything by borrowing technology from elite drones and shrinking it down into a tiny device that rests discreetly on your ear. Through an ultra-low latency wireless protocol, this head-tracker syncs directly with the mechanical 3-axis gimbal of the Luna Ultra. When you place the Luna Ultra on a tripod or mount it securely to your backpack strap, the camera becomes an extension of your own eyes. If you turn your head 30 degrees to the right to look at something interesting, the mechanical gimbal smoothly, dynamically pans 30 degrees to the right in perfect synchronization. If you look up at a towering skyscraper, the camera tilts up. It mimics the human eye's natural movement with astonishing precision. Imagine the implications for solo content creators, adventure travelers, and documentary filmmakers. You can walk through a bustling market completely hands-free, interacting with people naturally, while the camera tracks exactly what your eyes are seeing with stabilized, cinematic smoothness. The camera is no longer a barrier between you and the world. It becomes an invisible crew member tracking your exact intent. It removes the technical friction of filmmaking entirely. You don't have to look at a screen. You don't have to adjust a joystick. You don't have to worry if the subject is in frame. If you can see it, the Luna Ultra is capturing it. And the engineering wizardry doesn't stop at tracking. Insiders have revealed that this ear-mounted head tracker pulls double duty. It acts as an advanced audio monitoring node, integrating seamlessly with the newly announced Insta360 Mic Pro ecosystem. This creates a closed-loop production suite. You have professional-grade audio, real-time monitoring, and intelligent, zero-latency head tracking, all controlled by an ecosystem that fits entirely in your pockets. To power this level of heavy computational tracking and dual-lens processing, Insta360 integrated their proprietary A3 Pro processor. This chip allows the camera to process massive amounts of visual data from the on-inch sensor, handling up to 4K video at a blistering 240 frames per second. It gives creators access to 10-bit iLok, unlocking a massive 14 stops of dynamic range. This means you can shoot directly into a harsh afternoon sun or capture deep shadows in a dark alley, and the sensor will retain all that rich data. When you bring that footage into your editing software, the colors don't break down. The gradients remain silky smooth, and the textures look organic, closely mimicking the look of traditional Hollywood cinema film stocks. This brings us to the massive elephant in the room, the global pricing strategy. When rumors of the Luna Ultra first surfaced, everyone expected a premium price tag. But the recent market data reveals a striking regional disparity. In domestic manufacturing markets, the camera is reportedly positioned as an aggressive disruptor, priced around $600. However, as the camera prepares for its imminent launch in the United States and Europe, import duties, local taxes, supply chain logistics, and retailer markups are driving the international retail price significantly higher, pushing it past €850 in Europe and hovering around $780 for the body-only configuration in the US. At nearly $800 for the camera, and pushing close to $1,000 for the full creator bundle with the Head-Tracker and Mic Pro, the Luna Ultra is no longer just competing with pocket gimbals. It is stepping directly into the territory of entry-level mirrorless cameras and high-end smartphones. But when you strip away the numbers and look at the sheer utility, the value proposition becomes clear. A mirrorless camera cannot fit into a jacket pocket. A mirrorless camera requires thousands of dollars investment in heavy glass to achieve an 18 to 70 millimeter range. A smartphone, no matter how advanced its software algorithms are, cannot bypass the laws of physics. It cannot compete with a true physical 1-inch sensor and real mechanical stabilization. Smartphones rely on electronic crop and aggressive AI sharpening that often makes footage look digital and clinical. The Luna Ultra provides pure, unadulterated optical fidelity. The timing of this reveal couldn't be more strategic. Global pre-orders have already exploded across select international markets, with retailers taking massive deposits from filmmakers eager to secure a unit from the very first production batch. The official US launch is imminent, and the demand is reaching a fever pitch because creators realize what this device represents. It represents liberation. It means a vlogger can shoot an entire high-end travel documentary with a setup that sets up in 3 seconds. It means a street photographer can capture candid, spontaneous human emotions from 70 millimeters away without intimidating people with a massive camera lens. Insta360 is betting everything on the idea that modern creators value agility, modularity, and optical excellence above all else. They aren't trying to build another incremental gadget. They built a professional, flexible production studio that completely removes the need for a secondary camera operator. The combination of Leica's unmatched color science, the dual-lens 1-inch hardware architecture, and the mind-blowing POV head-tracking technology makes the Luna Ultra an absolute juggernaut. As we sit on the cusp of the official global release, one thing is absolutely certain. The landscape of content creation has changed. The days of sacrificing image quality for portability are officially over. The technology hidden inside the Luna Ultra doesn't just raise the bar, it completely rewrites the playbook for what a pocket camera can achieve.